Let me show you how I make this best, easy, dry baklava recipe. It has no syrup or honey, it turns out crispy, and people usually think I spent hours making it. But it is actually really easy. Once you make it one time, you will want to make it again and again. To make this crispy baklava, start by laying out 4 sheets of ready-made baklava phyllo dough so they cover your work surface. Then brush a thin layer of melted unsalted butter over the top. Next, lay out 4 more sheets of phyllo dough on top of the first layer. Then brush another thin layer of melted butter over the whole surface. You want it to look lightly shiny, not soaked, so it stays crisp when it bakes. Next, lay another layer of 4 sheets of dough over the top. Then spread 4 tablespoons of tahini evenly over the surface with the back of a spoon. Then sprinkle 4 tablespoons of sugar over the tahini. Then add 4 heaping tablespoons of ground walnuts. Next, carefully roll the dough into a tight log. Roll slowly and keep it snug as you go, so it stays neat and the filling does not spill out. Next, take each roll and cut it into pieces, about 2 to 3 fingers wide. Use a sharp knife and make clean cuts, and try not to squish the dough as you cut. Next, cover a baking sheet with parchment paper and place the pieces on the baking sheet with a little space between them. Bake the baklava in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until the tops turn a nice golden brown, and take it out when the edges look crisp and evenly browned. I like to sprinkle some powdered sugar over the baklava while it is still hot, so it sticks and looks pretty. Keep it light and even, then let it cool for a few minutes before serving. This baklava tastes crisp and flaky, with lots of delicate layers that crunch when you bite. Since it has no honey or syrup, it stays dry and crunchy instead of soft or sticky. If you liked this easy baklava recipe, I've got more sweet treats waiting for you on my channel. Take a look at these 2 latest videos here next.